Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Tech W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Today we will be see an example of a screen flow in Salesforce. In this example, we will be create a case and link to the related account. After that, creation a case task will be created through create record element. Task will be automatic assigned to the owner of the account. After save and activate this flow, we will be launch this screen flow on the account of record page. So let's get move on the Salesforce potential. So here I created a screen flow. So first of all, you will create a screen for a status and origin. As you know, if you creating a case, there is a two fields mandatory. This is a case and this is a new button. If you creating a case, there are two fields are mandatory, status and case origin. So I am putting these two elements, both are the picklist value. So first I create a screen and for the get the picklist value of the status, I create a choice set here. Choice set will get the select option value from object. Same like I created case origin and for the case origin I created new choice set and choice set pick list value will fetch the list of option of pick list. Both are field are required, so I mark a required both of fields. After that, we create a record of case. So first of all, use the separate resource and literal value here. Then select the object name case and I'm passing the record ID because record ID it is a lookup field between account and case. So account is a parent and case is a child object. So I'm passing the record ID here, passing the record ID. Record ID is a variable. The name of the field origin, passing the case origin value. Name of the field is status. So I'm passing the status value here. Record ID, I'm creating a record ID in the manager variable. This is a record ID. So record ID, it is a custom variable to store the record ID of account of record ID. So it store a record ID of account and it will use to the outside of the flow. Then then I check mark the manual assign variable and create a new variable case record ID. So newly created record of case will store the this record ID. After that, getting a account record ID because I am assigning the task automatically to the owner of the account. So I will get a record of account. So selecting a object name account, field name ID equal to passing the record ID. After that, getting the record ID, I am creating a record of task. So here I am selecting right the level of the record. Then I'm creating one record, so I'm selecting one. I am selecting use separate resource so that I can select the object name. So here is the name of the object. If you getting a task, some fields are mandatory. So activate date, owner ID, status, subject, and who ID. Who ID it is a lookup relationship between the task and account. So I will pass the record ID of account here. So activate date, you can select click a value. You create a new resource, variable, API, due, date, value, data type, date. Here is the month, day, year. So today is it 26/06. Here is the month, day, and year. So month 06, day 21, and 4023. Then done. I created a variable for the activate date. Owner ID will be passed of the account ID. So owner ID of account. So here get account dot owner ID. Owner ID. So here owner ID, the value will be passed owner of the account. Status checklist value coming from screen. Subject, same line, I create a new resource for subject. So select new resource variable subject of task data type text. Default value you can set subject to creation of task. I am putting the subject value subject to creation of task and done. After that, who ID? Who ID it is a lookup field of account and task. So I will pass the here record ID. Record ID. Then done. So then save as the screen flow. I'm creating a new version. After saving this screen flow, will be activate them. So I'm activating this screen flow. So my screen flow name is create case activity from record. Now I am going to the account and launching this screen flow on the record of account. Now this is a name of the account. Here I will be launch this screen flow on the top of the right side. Edit the page, the left side flow, drag and drop right side of the top. And my flow name is create case activity from record. So I will select my flow here, create case activity from record and check marks to this checkbox enable. Pass record ID into this variable because I am passing the record ID of account in this variable. Then save it. After saving, go to back, create new case. So my flow is display here. As you see, there is no task and there is no case in this record of account. So if I creating a task from flow, one task will create here and one case also will be created automatically. So now I'm creating working, selecting working, case origin will be email and next. So as you can see, subject to creation of task, there is a name of the subject I have created. One task has been created and one case has been also created from this screen flow. So friends, try to do from your org, from your side. If you getting anything issue, please write in comment box and don't forget to check out and subscribe my channel.